Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make neem leaf. Neem leaf is very beneficial. Neem leaf is antibacterial, antifungal, helps to fight skin aging, good for wrinkles, cures dandruff, gets rid of lice, and also is very good for the system. First, place a pot on low heat. Then add in 1 cup of coconut oil. Allow to warm up for a minute. Then add in your washed and dried neem leaves. Stir occasionally. Allow to simmer for 12 minutes. Stir occasionally and watch closely. When the oil turns light green, your neem oil is almost ready. Continue stirring occasionally. Turn off the heat. Allow to cool completely. Get a mesh strainer and a bowl. Pour in your neem oil and leaves into the bowl through the mesh strainer. Sieve a second time through a finer mesh strainer to remove all the tiny particles. Your neem oil is now ready. You can use any oil of choice. You can use almond oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, you can use grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. Now pour into a spray bottle or an applicator bottle, whatever bottle that has a tight seal. Now your neem oil is ready. Use as needed. Apply for your skin, apply on your hair, apply on any part of your body that needs it. Please don't